And we're going to start off by testing codes. So I choose the model, so how it's organized here, the brand, the category of products. So for example, if this was Samsung, you would see televisions, Blu-ray players, etc. Here we are, audio video switcher. And we have all of our commands here. They're tabulated. Common all applies to the unit as a whole. Output 1, output 2, output 3, etc. apply to just that specific output. So I can come here and choose, for example, power off command. I'm going to filter my action ID, starting with action ID 1 at the top there. We'll get into action IDs in a moment. Power off. I send that command. And I actually even begin to see some feedback here, don't I? Let's go ahead and power on. Now what we have down here is a terminal, the KD terminal. It's similar to how your computers used to have Hyperterminal built in, where you would connect from the RS-232 connection on the computer. Well, nowadays they don't typically have RS-232 connections. Instead, you need to purchase a USB to serial adapter. And so therefore, they also don't come with the software, the RS-232 software any longer typically. So we build it in here. We build it in. And you could see this feedback down in that terminal. If you don't see it, your RS-232 Manager window might look a little something like this. You could adjust how much of that terminal view you have, and we could test the commands. When I turn off the unit, of course, the face of the matrix, the LEDs are off, turn it back on, and we get all the LEDs on again. We'll do some switching commands. Output 1, we will have it select input 1, 3, 2, 1, test. I can do more than that even. Output 1, select input 8. Okay. And we see the face of the unit just shows us some, it has an LED for each input there and allows you to choose, or shows you rather, what is the currently selected source for that output. And so we're able to test the commands there and confirm that this is the one we want. This is the device we need to work with, or in some cases, you might not find the code set that you need to work with. And so in those cases, we allow you to create your own RS-232 codes.